Hello, the topic of this video is transistors, the history of the first transistors. The history of the appearance of the first transistors begins in the middle of the 20th century and is associated with the development of semiconductor technologies. Here are the main stages of their appearance. 1. Research in the field of semiconductors. Before the advent of transistors, scientists already knew about the properties of semiconductors. In the 1920s, research in this area was conducted by Julius Lilienfeld and Oscar Hale. In 1926, Lilienfeld patented a device resembling a modern field effect transistor. However, he was unable to create a workable sample. 2. The invention of the point transistor. The first really working transistors were created in laboratories, Bell Labs in the USA. In 1947, John Bardeen and Walter Brattain the point transistor was invented under the leadership of William Shockley. This device used the properties of a semiconductor material to enhance electrical signals. 3. Development of a bipolar transistor. In 1948, William Shockley developed a bipolar transistor, or a transistor with a PNP structure, which turned out to be more efficient and practical for production and use. 4. Recognition and dissemination. The invention of transistors was so significant that in 1956 John Bardeen, Walter Brattain, and William Shockley received the Nobel Prize in Physics for his research. 5. Influence on electronics. The advent of transistors was a revolution in electronics. Transistors have replaced bulky and unreliable electronic lamps. This made it possible to create compact and reliable electronic devices, including computers, radios, and other household appliances. Thus, transistors have played a key role in the development of modern electronics and information technology, laying the foundation for further achievements in this field. What are transistors? A transistor is a radio-electronic component made of semiconductor material, usually with 3 terminals, allowing the input signals to be controlled current in the electrical circuit. It is usually used for amplification, generation, and conversion electrical signals. Transistors are distinguished by power. Low-power transistors up to 100 megawatts, medium-power transistors from 0.1 to 1 West, high-power transistors more than 1 West. According to the material and design of the case, metal, glass, plastic, ceramic. By design, discrete case transistors for installation on the radiator, bodiless. The field of application of transistors. Transistors are key components in modern electronics and are used in a wide variety of devices and systems. Here are the main areas of their application. 1. Signal amplification. Audio amplifiers. Transistors are used in amplifiers for increase the power of audio signals. Radios and transmitters. Amplification of radio signals for reception and transmission. 2. Switching and control. Microcontrollers and microprocessors, transistors and processors, they act as logic gates for data processing. Power electronics, power management in such devices, such as inverters, power supplies, and voltage regulators. 3. Logic circuits. Computers, the main components in processors, RAM, and other digital circuits. Logic gates, used in digital devices for performing logical operations. 4. Lighting devices. LEDs, control of LEDs in lighting devices and displays. 5. Communication devices. Mobile phones and smartphones, signal processing and control, various functions. Modems and routers, signal amplification and processing for data transmission over networks. 6. Automotive electronics. Engine management, electronic control units ECUs for optimization of engine operation. Safety systems, control of ABS, ESP and airbag systems. 7. Consumer electronics. Televisions and audio systems, signal amplification and control. Various functions. Household appliances, function control in washing machines, refrigerators, and microwaves. 8. Medical equipment. Diagnostic devices, signal amplification in electroencephalography, EEG and electrocardiograph ECG. Therapeutic devices, control of the operation of artificial ventilation devices and other medical devices. 9. Industrial automation. Programmable logic controllers PLC, control of production processes. Control systems, control and management of various technological processes. Thus, transistors are universal components that are used in a wide variety of industries and devices, ensuring their efficient and reliable operation. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like it. Thank you in advance.